7 easy ways to keep the excitement in your romantic relationship. Is the honeymoon over? Life is so darn busy. Is it any wonder you're not feeling the warm fuzzies quite so much in your relationships? After all, it's hard to keep romance alive when you're always on the go, lost in a maze of responsibilities involving work, child rearing, and active social life. The good news is you can save a draggy romantic relationship quite quickly. By following this handful of tips, you'll both put the excitement back right where you need it, and you'll discover a romantic new you never knew existed. Try surprise. What is your significant other's favorite thing? Is it flowers, ice cream, a new book to read? Whatever brings out that smile is your goal here. Bringing home some small random gift or doing something unexpected such as making reservations at a favorite restaurant goes far in keeping the relationship fresh and exciting. Verbalize your feelings. Text messages, a short little romantic email, or even a quick phone call on their lunch hour lets the other person know you're thinking about them. Schedule some us time. Not seeing enough of each other? The solution is simple. Put it on your calendar. A regular night out gives you something to anticipate throughout the week. Say it simply. You know the magic words. When was the last time you used them? A random I love you needs to become part of your daily conversation if it isn't already. Experiment. When was the last time you did something new with each other? Take a class. Go somewhere you haven't been to before. Try a little something out of the ordinary in the bedroom. You'd be amazed at how new experiences shared with the one you love can bring spice back into your life. Double the fun. What about couple time with other couples? Hanging out with others in strong relationships has a way of reinforcing your own feelings for one another. Be excited. Remember how thrilling it was when you saw each other for the first time after any kind of absence? An enthusiastic greeting always sets the tone for the rest of the date, didn't it? Try it now to watch the other person's eyes light up. It shouldn't be hard. After all, you are happy to see them already. The key to all of this is really quite simple. Being mindful of your relationship and putting the effort in to be more attentive and aware is what yields the results. Hopefully, these tips will serve as a jumping-off point for some more ideas of your own. Remember, what counts here is the effort. When the other person knows they're loved and appreciated, the excitement very naturally follows.